Hands-on images of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have appeared online ahead of Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26. These images give users a better look at the device's design. While the leaked images resemble the Galaxy Z Fold 4's predecessor, there are a few little details that merit attention. In the images, the Fold 5's cover display, back, and newly engineered hinge, which now enables the device to shut completely flat, are all on display. Although the general design is identical, attentive viewers may notice minor changes to the rear camera system, which now has a separate LED flash and a bigger lens protrusion. One picture shows the interior folding display, but because of its quality, it's hard to tell whether the crease is evident. The unit that leaked looks to be a test model and has various labels on the front and back, which is significant information. The images were allegedly posted by someone attempting to sell the unit, according to a Redditor who got them. When compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5's design appears to place more emphasis on little improvements than significant ones. The device now features a zero-gap hinge for better aesthetics, and Samsung has strived to make it seem slimmer when closed. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to bring significant inside advancements even if there are few visible design changes. According to reports, Samsung will transition to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, which will provide quicker and more efficient performance as well as quick UFS 4.0 storage. A 50 megapixels main camera, a 12MP ultrawide camera, and a 10 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom are anticipated to be included in the device. Finally, there is a change to the iPhone 15 lineup that won't please Apple devotees. You know, only a few days ago, we learned that Apple was significantly boosting the battery capacity of every iPhone 15 model. According to reports, the iPhone 15 Ultra and 15 Plus will have around 5,000 mAh batteries, which is a significant improvement over last year. As it happens, that may not be true. It doesn't directly contradict what he mentioned previously, but the source, a Foxconn employee from Weibo, has advised not to take his information too seriously, suggesting that it was all false rumors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.